increasing the overall value of your property with landscaping. Additionally, a quality landscape design will help save you a lot of labor and money when you are doing your landscape maintenance. We are here to help.
How can I make my front yard look nice? Or if you are asking how do I landscape my front yard? When it comes to landscaping in your own front yard, you must have a landscape plan. Be flexible with your plan. Be organized and have done your research on yard ideas. Outline your planting beds. Prepare the beds. Place your plants in the bed. Add your garden accents. Enlist local help when searching for landscaping companies near me. Look for professional landscapers, landscape architects, landscape designers. How do you landscape a small front yard? Creative solutions for small front yards begin with laying a stepping stone path, which is also known as hardscaping. Stepping stones nestled into mulch and surrounded by perennial flower beds make for a layered and inviting front yard. Plant masses of blooms. Create a front patio. Flower-lined path. Plant small trees.
Call now and get your free estimate. Large or small projects. Custom designs and plans. In-depth custom quotes. Years of experience.